Good day everyone! This is Jeff Amurao of TSB International Corp. Maraming salamat po for inviting me to be one of your speakers in this prestigious event of Quindas. So sa mga doctors po natin, good day, and to our estheticians and sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig ngayon. So I am a motivational speaker, a business speaker, content creator, and ang niche ko is more on health and wellness. So ano po ba ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon? For today's topic is all about HIPLA. So ang HIPLA, ginamit ko siya as the secret to long-term client relationship. Kung gusto niyo pong magkaroon ng solid at loyal na clients, simple lang. Just remember HIPLA: honesty, integrity, personalization, loyalty, and appreciation. Ito po yung secret na matibay sa relasyon ng mga clients ninyo, lalo na sa medical and wellness industry. So let's start. Number 1, H, honesty. Being real and transparent builds trust and credibility. We have types of honesty. Una, transparency honesty. Kapag open ka sa mga risks, costs, and treatment options, mas nararamdaman ng clients na genuine ka. Example na pwedeng sabihin ng ating mga doctors, this treatment is effective. Pero gusto kong malaman mo ang possible side effects para makapag-decide ka ng maayos. Now, the question is, nag-work ba to? Of course, because clients trust professionals who keep it real, kaya mas nagiging loyal po sila sa inyo. Next is ethical honesty. Always put the client's well-being over sales or profit. Example na pwedeng sabihin sa client, you don't need this expensive treatment right now. Let's start with a simpler but effective solution. Bakit po ba ito nag-work? People stay loyal to professionals who act in their best interest. And pangatlong type of honesty is accountability. You own up to mistakes and fix them ASAP. Here's an example po na pwede niyong sabihin. I realize I prescribed a slightly higher dose than necessary. That's on me. In-adjust ko na para sure na safe ka. Bakit po ito nag-work? Because owning mistakes and correcting them earns the trust and respect of your patients. Now, let's proceed with letter I, integrity o paninindigan. We have to do the right thing, even when no one's watching. So, we have types of integrity. Una, behavioral integrity. Kung meron kang sinabi na gagawin mo, kailangan mo po siyang panindigan. Example po nito sa patients, I promise I'd call you about your lab results. So here I am. Your health is important and I want to personally explain everything to you. O, di ba mga doctors, ang galing, di ba? Next is moral integrity. You have to stay true to your ethics kahit merong mga tempting offers. An example of this is, a company offered me a commission to prescribe their drug. Pero hindi ko gagawin yon. Mas mahalaga ang health mo kaysa sa profit. Bakit po ba ito nag-work? Because integrity builds long-term credibility. The clients or our patients stick with professionals that they can trust. Next is P, personalization, o yung pagbibigay natin ng personalized care sa mga patients. We always have to treat the clients like people, not just numbers. So what are the types of personalization? Una, emotional. Minsan, ang kailangan lang ng client is assurance. Example of this is, I can see that you're feeling nervous. It's okay. Let's take a deep breath together. I'll guide you through this step by step. Bakit ito nag-work? Because clients feel safe when you acknowledge their emotions. Pangalawang type, contextual personalization. You adjust the advice based on their lifestyle. Example, alam ko pang night shift ka. So instead of taking your meds in the morning, let's adjust it para swak sa schedule mo. Bakit po ito nag-work? Because practical and customized advice makes clients feel valued. Next is letter L, loyalty. Siyempre, kailangan mo ng commitment sa mga clients mo. You have to make them stay not just because they have to, but because they want to. Meron po tayong mga types of loyalty. Number 1 is emotional. Clients stay dahil nararamdaman nilang alaga sila. Hindi lang bilang patients, kundi bilang mga tao. I'll give an example. Doc, you always remember my medical history at pati family ko. Kaya naman I trust you. Hindi lang ako basta patient sa'yo. Bakit po ba ito nag-work? Because trust and emotional connection build long-term loyalty. Next is value-based loyalty. People stick with professionals whose values align with theirs. Example na pwedeng sabihin ng client, Doc, gusto ko sa'yo bumalik kasi hindi ka agad nagpe-prescribe ng gamot kung di kailangan. Mas gusto ko yung natural approach mo sa healing. Bakit ito nag-work? Because clients stay because they believe in your approach and ethics. And pangatlong type of loyalty, behavioral. Clients return dahil sa habit at consistency ng service. Example na pwedeng sabihin ng client, Doc, your clinic is always organized. Madali magpa-appointment at consistent ang care, kaya hindi na ako naghahanap pa ng iba. Bakit ito nag-work? Because reliable service makes clients return effortlessly. And last but not the least, appreciation. Pasasalamat at pagtanggap sa clients na buong puso. We always have to make it a point that make them feel valued beyond transactions. Meron po tayong mga types. Una, verbal. Minsan, a simple thank you goes a long way. Example na pwedeng sabihin ng mga doctors natin, salamat po sa tiwala mo sa akin throughout the years. It really means a lot to me. Bakit po ito nag-work? Because small gestures of gratitude strengthen relationships. Pangalawang type, tangible appreciation. Show appreciation with small but meaningful gestures. Pwede po natin gawing example. As a thank you, priority booking ka na for your future checkups. We truly appreciate you as part of our clinic family. Bakit ito nag-work? Because a simple reward makes clients feel special and valued. Now, ano po ba ang point dito? The HIPLA isn't just a strategy. It's a mindset. When you practice honesty, integrity, personalization, loyalty, and appreciation, you're not just building a client base. You're building a community that trusts you. And in business, trust is everything. Are you ready to build long-lasting client relationships? Simulan na ho natin today. So sa lahat po ng mga nanonood today, maraming salamat po. And I am looking forward sa ating next webinar series. Maraming salamat po and have a good day ahead. Ingat!